Hello and welcome back to Developers Diary. In the previous tutorial, we were looking into the page item properties. Now, in this tutorial, we shall learn to develop list of values in Oracle Apex. So, log into your Apex workspace, go to the app builder and select an application. I have created a page already in the previous tutorial, so I'm going to use that one. Right click and create a new page item and name it department LV and select type, select list. Now you can see an error here when you click and navigate. It will navigate you to the list of value, and you can have multiple option here. Shared component SQL query static values and function body written with a SQL query. First, we shall use the static values. The first one value is, you can see, a display value, and the second one is the return value. So add some value here. Finance, F, IT, I, and HRH. Click OK, save, and run the page. So here you can see the select list is showing the actual values. Click save. It will submit the page, and you can check the values in the session. You can see the I, because we have selected the IT, and the return value is I, and the display name is IT. So in this way, you can create a static list of values. Other options, if null display value, if you want to show a value as a placeholder, you can use null value display value. When you run, it will show the select department as a null value, and we can select any of the other value if we want. If you don't want to show this that placeholder, you can remove that and extra values and null values. Click save, run the page, and the null value is disappear now. In the setting option, we have page action on selection. In this, we have multiple options: submit page, redirect and set values, redirect to page, and redirect to URL. Let's choose the submit page and run the page. It means whenever the value of the LOV get changed, it will submit to the session state. For example, I have changed it from IT to finance, and you can see that the value has been changed from I to F, and the status is updated. If you want to choose the list of value based on a SQL query, then we write a SQL query here. name in the ready form departments. The first value is display value. We can use D, and the second value is a return value. We can use our alias for them. Click OK, save, and run the page. Now you see that the sales is also appearing from the database table. So these are the values that are stored in our departments table, and we can select the values, and you can see ID this time as a return value. Let's change to HR, and the value is updated. So this you can create a select list or list of value in Oracle Apex. I hope you have learned something useful. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much.